Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain Facebook's "an unexpected error occurred" message. This common issue often stems from a few key areas. It could be a simple problem with your internet connection, an outdated web browser, or even temporary glitches on Facebook servers. We'll explore how to quickly pinpoint the source of the problem and begin troubleshooting effectively, saving you time and frustration. Let's dive into the most common culprits. Many unexpected errors are resolved by addressing issues on your end. First, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This removes old data that can cause conflicts. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable and fast, ideally 25 megabits per second or more. An outdated browser can also be a culprit, so update it. Finally, temporarily disable any browser extensions, as they sometimes interfere with Facebook scripts. If browser fixes don't work, let's look at your account and the app itself. A simple but effective step is to log out of Facebook and then log back in. This often refreshes your session. For mobile users, reinstalling the Facebook app can clear up persistent issues. Also, quickly review your account settings for anything unusual. If possible, try accessing Facebook from a different device or network to help isolate the problem's origin. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, the error persists. This often indicates a problem on Facebook's side. At this point, it's best to consult Facebook's official help center. You should report the specific error message you're seeing, along with any troubleshooting steps you've already taken. Remember, some complex issues require Facebook's engineering team to investigate and resolve, so patience is key while they work on a solution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.